morning. Welcome to the latest episode of Learn Online Mission 2020 Embrace English, powered by Smart ABC in association with Maima English Medium School.
Hi, my dear friends. So, welcome to the class. Today, we are going to learn there is and there are. The difference between there is and there are, and how to use there is and there are. See, look at the screen. You see a boy on the screen. So, we say there is a boy. And see, one more boy came to the screen. And we say there are two boys. Here on the screen you see a pencil. There is only one pencil. So we say there is a pencil. When there is only one pencil, we say there is only one pencil. See, there are many pencils on the screen. So we say there are many pencils. Okay. So here another example. There is a book. Only one book. Now you see there are so many books. So there are many books. So what is the difference between one and many? If there is only one, if there is a singular, we say there is. If there are many, more than one, we say there are. Okay, understood? If there is only one, we say there is. And if there are many, we say there are. That is, there is we use for singular. For example, there is one bed. There are. For plural, we say there are. See, for one bed, we say there is one bed. For many beds, two beds, we say there are two beds. See, another example. There is a monkey. For one monkey. See, there are 5 monkeys. There are many monkeys. So, there is with the singular. Example, there is one teacher in the classroom. There are is with the plural. There are many students in the classroom. There is and there are. Now we have to ask questions, right? How to ask questions? Is there? Are there? Is there a fish in that pond? Yes, there are many fishes in that pond. Suppose if there is only one fish, we say, is there a fish in that pond? Yes, there are. Now you see, there are many books. Are there many books? So if with the singular, when we ask question, we use is there, and if with the plural, we use are there. Understood? Is there? Are there? That is how we ask questions. Yes. Now how to answer when somebody is asking questions with is there? We say yes, there is, or no, there isn't. There isn't. Isn't is the short form of is not. There is not, or there isn't. Are there? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Aren't is the short form of are not. Okay. What's there? What are there? What's there? What are there? What's there with the singular? What are there with the plural? What's there on the table? There is a pen on the table. Okay. What's there on the table? There is a pen on the table. What are there in your bag? There are books, pencil, and tiffin box in my bag. So, what is there in your bag? There are means there are many. There are books, there are pencils, there is tiffin box. So, in my bag So, my dear friends, as we wind up today's class, here is your task. Your task is fill in the blanks with the is or are. There are 7 sentences, so use is or are in appropriate places. Okay? So please do the task and send it to my personal number. My number is given here. Just send the audio, not the picture. Just send the audio. Okay? So we'll see with the new episode in the next class. Till then we meet. This is your Binu sir signing off. Bye bye.